Here I am presenting three best earrings. So let's start it. The first one is Stanley Gold Round Check Gold Created or Genius Gemstone Liverback Earring. 10K Yellow Gold Round Check Gold Cut Created Emerald Liverback Earring. Classic and versatile dangle gemstone earring ready for anything the day brings. Dangle earrings feature 8 mm emerald center stone, high polished 10K yellow gold for crown, basket and lower bag setting. Emerald is main birthstone. The natural properties and composition of fine gemstone define the unique beauty of each piece. The image may show slight difference to the actual stone in the color and texture. The next one is 10K Gold Round Check Gold created at Genius Gemstone Liverback Earring. 10K White Gold Round Check Gold Cut Created Emerald Liverback Earring. Classic and versatile dangle gemstone earring ready for anything the day brings. Dangle earring features 6 mm emerald center stone, high polished 10K white gold for palm, basket and lower back setting. Emerald is main birthstone. The natural properties and composition of fine gemstone define the unique beauty of each piece. The image may show slight difference to the actual stone in color and texture. The last one is 10K Gold Round Check Gold created at Genius Gemstone Stud Earring. Discover the Amazon curated collection of fine and fashion jewelry. The expansive selection of high-quality jewelry featured in Amazon trusted collection offer everyday value that range from the precious gemstone and diamond pieces to the latest fashion designs. This hand-selected assortment featured an array of diamond, gemstone, and precious metal designer that receive a quality inspection including from the Amazon stuff-threaded gemologists ensure they meet Amazon high standard. All diamond featured in Amazon trusted collection are certified by our supply conflict free. The Amazon trusted collection offers a specialized customer service team that is available 7 days a week, answer any product questioning before, during, or after a purchase. If you are not satisfied for any reason, you will receive a full refund and free return shipping in the US if you return your purchase in 30 days. Find a special gift for a loved one or beautiful pieces that complement your personal style with the jewelry from the Amazon Trusted Collection. That's all for now. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.